When we travel, we all use the GPS on board our vehicle to follow the right way. But the natural accuracy of GPS is relatively low, from a few meters to a few tens of meters. In practice, this inaccuracy is masked to the driver due to the fact that GPS points are brought back to the nearest road found in a map. Why such an inaccuracy? The principle of positioning by GNSS for global navigation satellite systems consists to measure the propagation time of the signals emitted by Galileo, GPS, GLONASS, and BDOW satellites until the receiver of the user to compute its distance to those satellites knows its coordinates. GNSS satellites evolve at around 25,000 kilometers at 4 kilometers per second in known orbits at around 1 meter. Their clocks, although very accurate, generate a pseudo-distance error of nearly 30 centimeters every billionth of a second of instability. The signals emitted by the satellites are then deflected by electric particles and water molecules present in the atmosphere, generating an error on the pseudo-distance from several tens to even hundreds of meters. However, GNSS are the only way to obtain a position anywhere in the world. So, how to improve precision for the localization and navigation at the level of traffic lanes required for connected and autonomous vehicles? Geoflex is operator of new GNSS augmentation services, allowing a real-time centimetric positioning all over the world, on land, at sea, and in the air, continuously with a very high level of integrity. Using a worldwide network of around 100 permanent GNSS stations, Geoflex is able to model GNSS satellites' orbits and clocks errors, as well as their electronic biases, to produce corrections delivered in real time to users all over the world. GNSS corrections are disseminated in an interoperable format, RTCM3, and allow a precise positioning from 80 to 4 centimeters. They can be used for many applications of positioning and navigation in the domain of geospatial, construction, agriculture, transportation by air, sea, rail, and road, as well as locations-based services for mass market applications or even for precise timing and meteorology. Those corrections are sold through subscriptions to trade integrators accompanied with optional hardware and software development kits, enabling them to quickly develop new products and applicative services with more added value, without delegating to others their intrinsic value. Those HDK and SDK are sold under licensing. To allow a fast and efficient use of the correction stream, reference implementation of those development kits, forming GNSS Augmentation Services box ready to be used. We deliver the corrections to improve the precision, the integrity, and the continuity of operation of GNSS everywhere in the world, every time, and allow their good integration in downstream applicative chains.